Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create and verify your own parkour party blueprint in Heartopia. So Heartopia has a fun parkour party feature that will let you to play parkour challenge together with your friends. And the best part, you can design your own parkour course. And to design your own parkour course, just tap on the smartwatch, go to blueprint, and then just tap on this gameplay blueprint, this one, and then next just find the empty blueprint, and then in here you can edit the blueprint or make the new blueprint on here, or just import the the designs that you already have. And in here I want to edit and then in here I want to create new designs, so I want to tap on edit and then just tap on tool building. And then in here you can now start building your parkour course. You can arrange the obstacles however you like and create your own unique challenge. For example, in here I want to start with the starting line like this, starting rock. Then I want to place it like this. And then for the finish rock, I want to add it on here, for example. And then I want to add obstacle. Like this, and then after that just tap on complete, and then just give the blueprint name, and then just tap on confirm. And then in here, before you can use your blueprint for Parkour Party, you need to verify it. Just tap on this one, just tap on the verifications, and then just tap on start verifications. And then to make it faster, you don't actually have to complete every obstacle. Just simply run from the start point straight to finish points like this. And just like that, once you reach the finish, your blueprint will be verified and ready to use. Next, just go back, and then now you can use your custom parkour blueprint whenever you want to host a parkour party with your friends. Like this, you can see it. And okay, that's how easy it is to create your own parkour party blueprint in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.